Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode we have a new product review from the company Auxito. We have this jump starter with air compressor. Let's put it to the test. Let's see what we have. First time that I'm gonna use this product. I haven't used it before. I haven't even put it to charge. So first thing we see is the casing. Hard case. And because it's gonna be a jump starter, we're gonna have instructions. We're gonna have the jump starter. On this side, we're gonna have the cables to jump start your battery, hose to inflate tires. You can use it on any vehicle, any car, truck, motorcycle, and your cable to charge your new jump starter. Also, I'm gonna have this to inflate balls, soccer, football, whatever. And here on the product, the middle, to turn on the machine, you just hold it until it goes off, and that's how it came to me with 80% battery. On top, you're gonna have the light. You're gonna have emergency light, also red if you need to use it in the middle of the road. Plus, minus, and manual. You can set it up for vehicles right there. On this one you can change it to motorcycles, bicycles, balls. On the car we're gonna leave it on 37, and just to turn it on you press the middle once and it's gonna go on. To jump start a vehicle, you just remove this little cover on the bottom, connect your cables, and it's only one way that it's gonna go. Light is gonna turn green in here, and you're gonna be able to put it into the battery to jump start a vehicle. In here you're gonna have the connectors, one to charge it and one if you wanna use this as a power bank. You wanna charge your phone, your camera, or whatever you need. And for the tires, you just put your hose here on top, screw it on, and get it ready to use. I'm gonna use it the way it is with 80%, and let's see how fast can inflate the tire. I'm working right now on this F-150, and that's how it came to me. Tires look a little low, so I'm gonna take some air out still to see how fast it's gonna inflate these tires. As you can see, the tire looks lower now. Let's see how much air it has. I'm gonna leave it on 36, and if you can see, it's on 10 psi. One thing that I noticed is once you use it, it's gonna give you the psi. Once you stop it, it's gonna give you the percentage. It went from 10 to what, 21? Yeah, in about 5 minutes. So there you have it. It's not that big. For an emergency it's gonna be okay, but it's not gonna inflate the tires really fast. Let's keep going. Now it has 40% and 21 psi. It's gonna go all the way to 35. Let's leave it on 35 and let's keep going until the tire gets inflated. Let's see what happens. .35 psi in almost 16 minutes, and let's see, 29%. It was still good. 80% to 29 from 10 psi to 35 psi. So not bad for an emergency. And for a battery, let's say your battery goes dead and you need to get home, plug it in. Like you see, it's flashing green, red in here with the positive, black with the negative. Now that you have connected, turn it on, and it's green, it's ready to turn on the vehicle. And that's how you find out if it's ready or not. But obviously, if you wanna do this, make sure that you have 100% on the battery, because it's not gonna give you enough power to charge the battery to start the vehicle. So guys, if you wanna get one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It's really good to have one that it has both tire inflator and jump starter for any vehicle. Just keep it on your trunk. Make sure that you charge it at least every 6 months to maintain the batteries inside. And make sure that it's not super hot or super cold when you try to jump start a battery. The charge range is gonna be between 32 Fahrenheit and 113 Fahrenheit. So make sure that it's not super cold or super hot, because it's not gonna operate 100%. So there you have my little review, my little test on this jump starter. This is the AJ01 jump starter with air compressor. Link in the description. You be the judge. If you need one of these, you can have it on your car in case you need it.